Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, the CAROTE 17-piece non-stick pots and pans set with a detachable handle. This isn't just another collection of kitchenware, it's a system designed for versatility, space-saving convenience, and effortless cooking. Let's start with the star of the show, the detachable handle. This feature is a game-changer. CAROTE claims it provides a secure grip and stability with impressive weight-bearing capacity. And honestly, after testing it out, I can see why. The mechanism feels robust, and the handle locks into place with a satisfying click. This single innovation allows these pans to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven, from the grill, straight to the fridge, and even serve guests at the dining table, all without having to switch pots. Think about it. No more awkward transfers or struggling with oven mitts on handles that are too hot. This also means incredibly efficient storage. Stack them up with the included pot protectors, and you'll be amazed at how much space you reclaim. Beyond the handle, the performance of the cookware itself is paramount. CAROTE highlights their commitment to even and rapid heat delivery, meaning no more frustrating hot spots that scorch your food in one area while leaving another undercooked. This is crucial for achieving consistently great results whether you're boiling pasta, simmering a delicate sauce, or just reheating leftovers. They've also focused on ultra-performance when it comes to stain resistance. This is something many non-stick surfaces promise but few deliver on long-term. The idea is an effortless cooking life, and that extends to cleanup too. Speaking of cleanup, CAROTE states this set is dishwasher safe, and with an extra reinforced coating, they aim for an effective and effortless cleaning experience. We all know how much of a chore it can be to scrub burnt-on food, so a truly dishwasher-safe and stain-resistant surface is a massive selling point. This set is also designed to work with all cooktops, including induction, which is fantastic for those of us with modern kitchens. And as mentioned, oven use is also safe, further adding to its adaptability. Now, let's talk about what you actually get in this 17-piece set. It's quite comprehensive. You receive a 2-quart saucepan, a 3-quart saucepan, an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch frying pan, and a 10-inch sauté pan. For lids, you get 8-inch and 10-inch glass lids with silicone rims, which are great for trapping heat and moisture and also offer a snug fit. Additionally, there are 7-inch and 8-inch storage lids, perfect for covering leftovers directly in the pan. To help you get started, 2 detachable handles are included, along with a spatula, a spoon, and 4 pot protectors to keep your non-stick surfaces pristine during storage. Let's break down the pros and cons of this CAROTE set. The biggest pro, unequivocally, is the detachable handle. Its innovation simplifies cooking, serving, and storage like no other. The space-saving aspect is significant, especially for smaller kitchens or RVs, as the description mentions. The promise of even heat distribution and stain resistance is also a major draw, if it lives up to expectations. The inclusion of both cooking and storage lids is a thoughtful touch, adding to the set's overall value. And of course, being induction compatible and oven-safe broadens its usability considerably. The 12-month warranty also offers a degree of peace of mind for your investment. Now for some potential cons. While the detachable handle is a brilliant feature, the long-term durability of the locking mechanism is something only time will truly tell. We'll have to see how it holds up to repeated use. The description doesn't specify the material of the cookware itself, beyond it being non-stick. Knowing if it's ceramic, PFOA-free, or another type of coating would be beneficial for consumers who are particularly concerned about material composition. Also, while dishwasher safe is convenient, hand washing is often recommended for extending the life of non-stick surfaces, so that might be a consideration for some users. Lastly, while 17 pieces sounds like a lot, the sizes of the saucepans are on the smaller side, which might not be ideal for larger families or batch cooking. In conclusion, the CAROTE 17-piece pots and pans set with its detachable handle is an innovative and versatile option for any kitchen. It tackles common pain points like storage and cooking convenience head-on. If the execution of the detachable handle and the longevity of the non-stick coating are as good as they seem, this set could be a real winner. It's definitely a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware with a focus on smart design and functionality. Link in the description.